Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a bracelet using, I think it's BRECCIATED Jasper. I'm not sure, don't have the full name on there, but I bought it years ago. I'm going to make a bracelet out of it. I've got copper wire, 20 gauge copper wire. Is cut 3.5 inches long, and they're 14 by 12. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to make it like that. Wrap it around. Probably about 3 times. And it'll look like that. Alright, now take one of our beads, put it on, and we'll be making our clasp at the end. So I don't really have any copper colored. Well, I do, but not. See, we folded it back, we went around. Now we're going to wrap it around and sort of put your neck strap next to the next one. Pull it tight. And then we'll cut it. Oops. If it's overlapping, you just back it up a little bit. I'm going to have to hold it so I can back it up a little bit. This is almost like red Jasper, but I think the difference is the black streaks in it. Okay. Now let's do another one. We'll take it about 1 inch down, bend it over, go around, and you make your eye. And you open it up just a little bit. Slide it on. You could hook these together with jump rings, but I'm not doing that. I don't have little enough jump rings to do that. And if you did hook it together with jump rings, you could make some crystals or something to do a little dangle there. Just wrap it around and get it tight to that wire. And you can feel it now and see if you need to file it. But I like to wait till the end because the bead's going to sit right up next to that, and it might not, you can't feel anything after the bead's there. And I really didn't feel anything there before I put the bead on, so just hold it. Leave a space for your wrap. Go around. And I'm going to make some pendants while I'm off this week. If I get a chance. If not, I'll do some over the next couple weeks. Got to. We're going to join one onto there. Go down about 1 inch. Fall over. And bring it around. I always bring it on the top. I guess if you were left-handed, you might be able to do it the opposite way. I don't know. You just do it however you feel more comfortable doing it. I need to open that up just a hair. So I've got it like that. Slide it through. I'll hold it. That tail up. Sounds like somebody's shooting somewhere off. Might be somebody revving a car off somewhere. I don't know. Let's put the lighter one on. Well, it ain't much lighter, but it's a little bit. Alright, go like that. Go around. Do your twist. just lay this one on the end where the clasp is. When I get this one started, show you one more time how to go around like that. Okay, now we're going to put this one on. And I'm going to keep on going, and I'll be back in a few minutes, and we'll make a clasp, and we'll finish this one up. Okay, y'all, we've got that much made. I'm going to go ahead and put a ring on the end. And then we'll build our clasp. I'm not sure what I'm making, but I think it's going to be a S clasp. A clasp. I can't even. That's a hard word for me to say for some reason. Alright, now, that's pretty stone. I like that. Okay, now we've got a piece of 3-inch 18 gauge copper wire. So we are going to take the end. I thought just a little bit to get the Now, I'm going to roll the end up. And we'll curl the other end up. We might have to twist it a little bit, but I think this is what I'm doing. Been a little bit since I made one of these. I might have to shorten it too. So we've got our ends filed and it's smooth. So what I'm going to do is I need a paintbrush. That's what I need. Yep, I did that one on the wrong side. So they need to be opposite. But I'm just going to twist it. Well, I think I dropped my file on the floor, which I really don't need it now. Now, take the other side. And that's our clasp. And I should have. I doubt I can get it through there. So we're probably going to have to use a ring on this one too. If you're going to not use a jump ring, just before you do this part, put it through there. And we'll put the short in. Now if you're using thinner wire, you need to, I'll show you. If you're using thinner wire than 18 gauge, you'll need to sort of join this right here with a little wire or something. And you can work harden this by taking this and hammering it a little bit on the hammering block. But I've got mine in the other room, so I'm not going to hammer this one. You just slide it in like that. And that's our bracelet. Y'all, I really appreciate you watching to the end and liking and subscribing. I have a few more of these that I'm putting up. I just want to do one of each bead that I have, and I'm going to wire wrap some pendants and some earrings and maybe do some simple things so people starting out can do some simple things. But I hope you like that. It's a simple little wire wrap, BRECCIATED, I think, Jasper. I think that's how you say the word. And until next time, y'all like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.